Hello Will, so here's my adventure. I will start this video explaining what kind of adventure I'm connected to, but I'll finish explaining the most important point for me anyways, the reason why. Hello everybody, my name is Edison, or as some friends call me, Eddie, and I'm grateful to be here sharing those moments with you guys. I've been riding motorcycles and camping since I was 12 years old, so most recently, actually this past spring, I decided to combine motorcycle trips with camping, basically doing what people call motor camping. Adding to that, I recently, I guess was a COVID thing, I started studying about landscaping photography and outdoor cinematography. So creating all those points or activities into one allowed me to create my own YouTube channel. Windy Therapy is really a channel where I explore motorcycle riding, motorcycle camping, and gear reviews to really improve people's outdoor experience. Believe it or not, in 2020, despite all the COVID situation, I managed to travel 11,000 kilometers safely across BC and Alberta, camping different spots, taking pictures, making movies, and was a really great thing. So I'm kind of grateful for this past season. So as mentioned at the beginning, why am I doing what I'm doing? That's the main point. Often people say, don't you think you're too old for camping or traveling your motorcycle or even creating or starting a YouTube channel? My answer is no. I'm not sure about you guys, but after my 50th birthday, things changed for me, and the way I see things are completely different than 20 years ago, for example. I came to realize that we as humans are geared or perhaps programmed to be raised, to go to school, to get a career and to make money. But there's a caveat for that. Taking family aside, all those points or goals in life do have a shelf life, which means they'll be gone after we die. As I became older and wiser, I also realized that money cannot buy the most important thing for me anyways, which is time. Doesn't matter how much money you have, money cannot buy time. Today's date will be gone shortly, and tomorrow is not for sure. So it begs the question, what is really important for us or goals that we can have from here forward? I personally came up with two answers. One is experiences, and two, legacy. Adventures will create memories that will last forever. And those memories will later create what I call your legacy. Legacy is often connected to money, but to be honest, that's not the point. Legacy for me is to answer two questions. What can you tell me about Will? What can you tell me about Joe or Mary? The answer of this question can really show me what kind of experiences in life you had. And the second point is really, how will people remember you, right? That's the caveat. How will people remember you? And that's directly connected to your legacy. Often people connect legacy with money, but to be honest, if all we know about you is the fact that you have a lot of money, it tells me that you didn't have enough time to enjoy life at the fullest. So please watch this video as I hope to create a little spark that may help you to seek for your own adventure. If you guys want to reach out, please connect with me on Instagram or YouTube, and I'll be happy to chat a little bit more about my adventures. Thanks for the opportunity again. Ciao.